Hello guys, today I show you the basic of camera Nikon. This is the Nikon, yeah, D5300. So you can see here, D5300. So I will tell you the basic of this Nikon. To turn on this camera, you have to tap this one. Sorry. So this is on, and this is off. To left, yeah. To right, on, yeah. And you can this, yeah. Okay, you can rotate this screen, or you can rotate it to here. Yes. Also this is the focus. This is the focus, and this one, if you click like this, will show in camera. But if you click this one more, you can to shoot a video and watch your eyes on this. If click on to here, and you see in camera here, yeah. And it's just the basic. So here also when you turn on, you have to click this and rotate this like this. So you have like this. I rotate it here, you see. This is off. So when you turn on, you have to rotate this like this. Yeah. So when you click auto here, here is the auto. Here, A is auto, M is manual. When you click auto here, this is autofocus here. This is autofocus. But if you click here, you have to manual focus on the object. Yes. And yeah. So what's next? So this is zoom in, zoom out. Like example, shoot this back. Yeah. This is zoom in, zoom out. Like see. Yeah. This is autofocus, and you press this to autofocus because we set here auto, yeah. So you click to yeah, this one, yeah, and click here. See, nice. And here is to view the picture here, and this is zoom, this is zoom out, this is zoom in, yeah, zoom out here. And you can delete this picture, like click here, and one more, see here, click the rubbish to delete, yeah, and you go back here to camera. Yes, I think that's all. You have Wi-Fi here, and you download the app Nikon in your phone, iPhone or Android, and transfer from this photo from this camera into your phone. You can transfer this. You can like this, yeah. See, nice here. And this is a mix. This is the mix, AV out, and in this one is HDMI. This is mix. This is a AV out, and I turn off here. And this is the card here. See, memory card. You can remove this card and copy in your computer after you're done shooting the video or photos. Let me push it. It will come out, yeah. And then you push in and then see. And the battery is here. Battery is here. So you see here. See, push this battery. Push it out and take it out. Yeah. And you can charge the battery. And you can plug it in. Yeah, that's done. So this is Nikon D5300. Yeah. Hope you enjoy it. It's just a basic review. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye. Oh, one more. That I told you at the beginning. Don't forget to lock it back when you after you're done, and turn off this. Lock this. Push. See, this on, this off. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.